Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, your ultimate destination for real, raw, and exciting automotive reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the most jaw-dropping luxury motorhomes of the future, the 2025 Kenworth T2050. This isn't just a truck, it's a rolling five-star hotel on wheels. Built to conquer highways in comfort and style. Let's kick things off with the exterior. The Kenworth T2050 doesn't hold back when it comes to first impressions. Its bold, aerodynamic front end is matched with sleek LED lighting, futuristic detailing, and a body that stretches long and wide like a true road king. Chrome accents, dynamic body lines, and massive aluminum wheels give it that premium look. But don't let the beauty fool you. This rig is built tough. Made to handle long hauls, harsh climates, and heavy loads without breaking a sweat. Under the hood, the T2050 roars with power. Depending on your configuration, you're looking at either the legendary Paccar MX-13 engine or the more torque-heavy Cummins X15. Both options deliver incredible horsepower, excellent torque, and fuel efficiency that's surprisingly good for a motorhome of this size. Whether you're cruising through mountain highways or flat interstates, this beast offers seamless power delivery and a buttery smooth ride thanks to its enhanced suspension system and integrated stability controls. Now let's step inside. And believe me, this is where things get insane. The interior of the 2025 Kenworth T2050 is unlike anything we've seen before. The cabin opens up into a spacious, ultra-modern living space. You get a fully equipped kitchen with high-end appliances, marble countertops, and plenty of storage. A smart dining area folds into a second sleeping space. And yes, there's even a queen-sized memory foam bed at the rear with ambient lighting and surround sound. It's like a luxury apartment on wheels. Tech-wise, the T2050 is stacked. A fully digital cockpit with a massive touchscreen controls everything from the climate to the entertainment. It's fully voice-activated, with smart AI integration that learns your travel habits and suggests stops, routes, or even fuel stations. And with satellite connectivity and solar panel support, this motorhome is ideal for long off-grid adventures. Safety hasn't been left behind either. You're looking at 360-degree camera systems, lane assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and even auto emergency braking. It's designed to give drivers peace of mind, especially on long distance drives. So, who is this machine for? If you're someone who dreams of traveling in absolute comfort without compromising on power or tech, the 2025 Kenworth T2050 is the answer. It's made for long hauls, big dreams, and unforgettable journeys. Whether you're a full-time RVer or just someone chasing freedom on weekends, this motorhome is built to impress. That's it for today's review. Let us know in the comments, would you drive this luxury giant across the country? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon because we're bringing you more high-end, futuristic vehicles every single week, only on Honest Auto Wheels.